Alright guys, got another detailing video for you today. I've already kind of started on this one. It's a little dirty, but I'll show you what it looks like now. I'll give you a quick walk around of the outside and the inside, and then we'll get to work. Alright, so I always start off with cleaning interiors first. I don't know why, that's just what I like to do, but here we go. Spray my rag a little bit, and then just start wiping everything down. Whenever you got really dirty cup holders, if you can pop them out, pop them out. Normally you can. And I like to just take them out and just spray them. Let that sit for a minute and let the chemical you use do its work. So now that these have soaked for a little while, you can see the soap in there. I'll take my rag, just run my finger around in there the best I can. And just like that. Pretty much brand new. I got the other one, do the same thing. Squeaky clean. Now that I got most of the interior wiped down, not all of it, I'm gonna go back over it once again, but now that most of it's wiped down, I'm gonna come in with the vacuum cleaner, get this carpet cleaned up. Guys, there you have it. The back seat is done. Looks much cleaner than it was. Now we're going to go over to the passenger seat. Another thing I wanted to add, don't waste your time vacuuming these rubber mats. You can vacuum them all day and you'll never get as good of a clean as if you pressure wash them. So just get your pressure washer, spray them down, let them dry out in the sun while you're cleaning the truck. You'll spend forever trying to vacuum them. But now we're gonna do the passenger side. We're gonna save the driver's side for last, the best for last. And by best, I mean worst. That side's very dirty. That's gonna be fun. Just like that, the passenger side is done. It's looking really good. Now we're gonna go over to the driver's side. You all saw how bad that one was. And man, it is getting hot. It's only 9:30 here in Florida, but it's already probably 90 degrees. There's the driver's side. Looking good. Now, let's get this outside cleaned up. This outside's pretty dirty. Birthday boy, huh? Let's get that off of there. Well, I got this bed cleaned out. Looks good, all the sticks are gone, all the debris is gone. But I had to sacrifice my bed to do it. Oh well, no big deal, I'll clean it off. Always clean the roof, guys. Don't try to be sneaky and not do it. Some customers check, and especially if you're charging, don't try to be sneaky, just do it. They're paying you. If it's your own truck, I don't care, don't clean your roof. But if someone's paying you, clean the roof. Alright, so I got the front of the truck done. Did all the, what I call high bug impact zones, the windshield, the two mirrors, the grill, the front bumper, headlights, stuff like that. Got all the bugs off, got all the dirt off. That birthday boy message is gone, so that looks a lot better. Gonna move on to the sides, or the other side, sorry. I already did the tailgate, already did the driver's side. All I got left is the passenger side and the rims. Let's get back to it. So I just thought of something while I was cleaning the outside of the truck here. If you guys have power running boards and you want to pressure wash those or wash them, just crack the door. Obviously don't pull it open all the way, you don't want to spray the inside, but just crack the door just enough to activate the power running boards and give them a good spray. Alright, we got the whole truck washed down. Now it's time to dry it. So here's a tip for you guys to make drying a lot easier. Use a squeegee. If you got a rubber one, you can not only use it on the windows, but you can also use it on the flat body panels. But this saves you so much more time. And then obviously just go back over it with some window cleaner, but it saves you so much more time than trying to squeeze or chamois everything. And you can do the same thing on the body panels. It's all silicone, all rubber. The handle's rubber. You're not going to cause any damage. Alright guys, truck is all dried off. Now we're down to the final steps. We're going to go back to the inside now. And what we got to do is see the door jambs. Yeah, they're pretty dirty. So we're going to come through and wipe those up and dry them out as well. And then after that, after we get all four doors, we're going to come back and clean the windows. Yeah, see that? They must have a dog back here. We'll get that cleaned up though. Alright, got all the door jambs cleaned up. There's one, there's two, there's three, and there's door jam number 4. Obviously, there's nothing we can do about the scratches, but it is what it is. At least we got the dirt up. It looks a lot better. Almost done. Floor mats are in, looking super fresh. Windows are clean, spotless. You can see straight through. It looks good. Okay. One more step and we can go home. The wheels. So I don't clean wheels. Okay, thanks a lot, buddy. Okay. Alright, so I don't clean wheels while I'm washing the vehicle. Reason being, I don't want my brushes, my squeegees, my whatever you want to call them, my rags, I don't want them touching these while I'm cleaning the truck. So what I do is I just wait until afterwards, and I'll go through and wipe them by hand with a rag, and normally it turns out a lot better. You can get a lot more detailed with it. And then wipe them down and spray some tire shine, and let's get the heck out of here. Alright, there it is, people. She's done. Tires are shiny. Truck is shiny. Truck is dry. Truck is clean. Truck is bug free. No more birthday boy. That's great. Yeah, overall turned out really good. Interior, you guys saw how bad that was. Much better now. Floor mats are in place. Wait, nope. No, it's not. Be right back. Okay, like I was saying, floor mats are in place now. Looks really good. Don't waste your time vacuuming. Pressure wash. Much faster. Yeah, I think that's it. This truck is all done. Now it's time for me to clean up all my crap and get out of here. Oh, shoot. Missed the spot. Whatever. I'll get that later. Got everything loaded. Let's get the heck out of here. Whew. It is hot. Turn that thing on. I need some AC. Oh, it is too hot for this. Close that thing up. Crank that all the way up. It is hot. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far into the video, please hit the subscribe button. That helped me a lot and I really appreciate it. If you want to see more detailing videos, let me know. I can definitely make some more of those. And thanks again for watching. If you have any questions regarding detailing or anything, leave them down in the comments below.